I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Has to die. The Brave Ones on Netflix is it's good. It's good. I just started watching it. See the witch there? They call her a witch. See the blood? Yeah. See she coming back to life. See the bracelets there? Backside. She come back to life. Oh God, our sister dead. How she bring her back to life? Funika, wake up, Funika. Funika, don't do this. Jesus God, please wake up, please wake up. I'm stressed out. The man bust her throat and she wake up. He just gets stabbed in your belly, one Funika. Funika is not like it's a, oh my God, they're such good actresses. I'm legit emotional. Yo, episode 1. This was episode 1. Brave Ones, episode 2. She dead. Oh, she got to her family, so she dead. Oh, she got to her family, so she dead. Oh.
I'm very confused. He's questioning how I just got rebel, even though, on.
That won't happen, please.
But it does come to a sound.
The brave one is a young woman. She lives here amongst us.
Who is she, Marco?
Remember, all magic originates. If the tree should die, all the magic will fade away.
There ain't no way you're bringing me down. Thought that you could keep me under, but I've been lifted up from the ground. And just in case you've ever wondered,
yeah, I tell the truth. Pull up in tanks, just me and the troops. This ain't nothing new. Yeah, T getting smaller, we down to a few. When you see us, salute us. I've been in the water with sharks, been recruiters and ears. Life getting real. Off with the lights, but we bet the city on heels. Closer to God, I just gotta be. When I wasn't, my thoughts, they were hunting me. it was all of them, only one of me. These days I'm watching who's in my company, yeah. No plans of slowing my foot on the gas. Like yeah, in Wyoming when I'm in my bag, I beat up these stresses, they blue and they black. I see that you kept me, you knew that I snapped.
Come here. Come here, come here. Come here, don't tell me that you're sorry. Come here to me. Come here, come here. Don't me tell you say you can't go shop because they don't listen to Jonathan when they go out. They don't listen to him, so you're not going to go outside with him. Why do you insist on crying and fighting him to go outside? Jalil, I will beat you. Don't play with me, please. Come here. There's no reason for you to cry. 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 Something to eat? See them? See the boss? I know.
Or the means again to beat the goals.
They're gonna have to. Wow.
They're gonna have to what?
They're gonna have to.
Create a big bomb ghost defeater.
Thingy, yeah, right. Where they're coming up from.
In the world.
In the building. Look at the portal. Look how much it goes. Watch it. You guys, I'm about to have my period because I'm eating everything in sight.
Your sacrifice.
I be a toast bread and toast bread and butter. Ow.
Because of you, the balance of nature can be brought.
There is no blame. It was their choice.
I love
They
you.
followed you into an unwelcome.
I love you every single day of my life.
Was anything less would diminish what they gave, and why? It wasn't.
You're a big boy life.
It followed something.
Puppy.
I'm sure about money.
Can I get a kiss? Oh my, yeah. I love you. I love Jaleel. I love you. I love you. Rain, school kind of out, so it didn't rain today, but it's gonna rain later on, maybe tomorrow morning. So yeah, Jonathan might have school tomorrow, but I don't have his school shoes, so we'll see how that goes. Or what the teacher them say. Cause them said no school now keep for them classroom a leak. I want mama. I don't want any egg, I just want bread and butter.
Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains. But now I'm enlightened. Life is no island, just let the light in. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall. And you don't have to worry about me. I just wanna live free.
I used to tread light on a tightrope until I jumped free with my eyes closed. Every moment in life is like a slideshow, and I'm just pulling strings for the maestro. There's a question I'll ask you, who are you answer to? We all gotta take a course, life is an institute. If you wanna truly soar, nothing can limit you. A light in a dark room, ain't nobody dimming you. Yeah, I can't settle. Young brown boy, mama told me I was special. Learn to manage my risk, ain't no way to lose. Why you holding on to fear? You got a parachute. Check the longitude and latitude. It's all determined by your attitude. Cause I want better for mine. Walking at the vision, see all I needed was time.
Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains. But now I'm enlightened. Life is no island, just let the light in. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall. And you don't have to worry about me. I just wanna live free.